Some of you keep asking when WAEC exam will become computer based, when NECO exam will become computer based. So I want you to pay attention to this particular video we are giving you, because the federal government of Nigeria has made a decision concerning when NECO and WAEC will become computer based, just like JAMB. Now you already know when we say computer based, what we mean is when you will be using computer laptops to write this exam. Like before now, when older people like us wrote our JAMB, we wrote just paper based with our paper and pencil where you shade. But now JAMB is entirely computer based. So very soon NECO and WAEC is also migrating to become computer based. So look at the news. The federal government, that is federal government of Nigeria, has set a 3-year timeline to migrate all O-level examination conducted by National Examination Council NECO and the West African Examination Council WAEC to computer-based testing mode, that is CBT, computer-based tests. Minister of Education Dr. Tunji Alaosa gave this indication at a meeting with the officials of the Joint Admission and Matriculation Board JAMB, officials of NECO, officials of JAMB, and the Director of Senior Secondary Education in Abuja. The meeting was held very recently. I want you to follow this news. Director, Press and Public Relations, Federal Minister of Education, Braiwo Folosade, confirmed this in a statement on Friday in Abuja. The minister emphasized the government's unwavering stance on zero tolerance for exam malpractice and asserting the need to protect the sanctity of all examinations. That means they are trying to ensure that WAEC and NECO, GCE, all O-level examination becomes computer-based to curtail exam malpractice. So every student should be reading. Dependence on EXPO and all the rest will not help. So just be reading. That is why you also need our tutorial, our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials, because we give you up-to-date information. We give you the syllabus. We give you past questions. So just go through our channel and look at all the past questions we have searched for you on WAEC, NECO, JAMB, and all the rest. He stressed the government's commitment to upholding the integrity of high-stakes and achievement examination conducted by NECO and WAEC as a placement exam administered by JAMB. Okay, one of the key decisions at the meeting was the transition of all examination into computer-based testing platform within the next 3 years. So within 3 years, JAMB and NECO, JAMB is already computer-based, but within the next 3 years, the Minister of Education, the federal government is planning that NECO and WAEC will now be computer-based, no longer copying exam hall, no longer any kind of gimmick played in exam hall. It will now be computer-based. You write with your computer. Okay, this is a significant step towards building a robust and credible examination system for Nigeria. We are moving swiftly to protecting the future of our education system and ensure that our student achievements are recognized fairly and accurately. So they are finding out exam malpractice. The message for you and why I'm telling you this is you need to keep reading, make yourself serious, become serious. If you'll be writing this next WAEC or NECO, whether it is computer based or not, if you're writing JAMB, whether it is computer based or not, keep reading. If you want me to send you syllabus, timetables, materials, past questions for WAEC or NECO or JAMB, just watch this video from beginning to the end, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just subscribe on our YouTube channel now. When you click on subscribe, come under this video and say I have subscribed, and I will share with you all those materials you need. They emphasize that these acts undermine the credibility of assessment and compromise the moral and academic development of students. They affirm the necessary commitment to enforcing strict measures to combat malpractice, ensure accountability, and uphold the integrity of the nation's examination. She called on all stakeholders to work together in restoring fairness and transparency. With these measures in place, Nigeria is poised to strengthen the credibility of the educational system and set a new standard for examination security. The statement notes. So, as you prepare yourself or your child or anybody for the coming examinations, whether it is WAEC, NECO, or JAMB, we in Noble Tutorials encourage you to prepare outside malpractice. Keep reading. In our channel, you'll see all the materials, all the tutorials we have done for you. Don't be lazy. Read very much, and we believe with study, nothing will stop you from passing very well in your O-level and JAMB examination. You need any timetable, you need any past question, you need any syllabus, area of concentration, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and come under this video and say, I have subscribed. God bless you. As we keep reading, we'll keep helping you.